Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nur Nadia Najihah binti Azadan. English is the main language used as a lingua franca nowadays. Everyone will definitely use this language in all sectors, whether it is employment or education sector. In my opinion, I like English because it helped me to become better educated. My main point is it helps me better understanding in certain subject. I can use my knowledge of English to learn more and more things in education. For example, imagine all of things I could learn by taking a math class from an Australian or economic class from a British teacher. This kind of class, especially on university level, taught completely in English. I will find it is easier to learn other subjects when I already understand English. Secondly, open up many educational opportunities to me. For example, to eligible to continue studies at the university level, students need to obtain at least band 3 in math. Good result in English will open up opportunities for me to further my studies. If given the option to learn another language, I would like to learn Japanese. The Japanese language also opens up good opportunities in the field of employment as well as education. Same as English, Japanese language also helps you to communicate well with Japanese people. Easy for us to understand what they are talking and easy for them as well. In conclusion, I believe that English is fun and it encourages you to better learn English. Same as other languages, it gives you a lot of benefits. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Nuaina Bajuna Binti Marhim. As we know, English is very important in business because it's mostly used to communicate all over the world. I like learning English because it can help me to get a better and well-paid job at a multinational company in my country. Nowadays, applicants who are good in speaking and writing in English will be given priority to hold a job, and the opportunity to get a position in a company is very easy. For example, if we go to any big companies to apply a job, they will first see your way or skill of English you speak. In short, English is very important to us to learn because it can give a lot of benefit in the future. Another language that I want to learn is Mandarin. Mandarin is the one of the most widely spoken language in the world. There are many advantages of learning Mandarin. For example, job opportunities. Most companies in Malaysia are Chinese. This will give more options to students when they want to implement practical training after study. China is one of the world great powers with a variety of advanced technology comparable to the West. Malaysia also has a cooperative relationship with China in the field of business. As a conclusion, whether we speak in English or Mandarin, both will benefit us as long as we seize this opportunity to get a job after graduation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nur Shafa. I like English because comparatively easy to learn and it is used by a lot of people around the globe. English language also make us possible to understand a bit more about different culture. English teach you how to adapt and use to learn about, understand and appreciate the values of other cultures. However, if you are the language learner who is currently attempting to learn English, by watching movie is not only a great way to speak English fluently, but also one of the most fun way that can be used while to know about other culture that different from yours. This is why watching movie in English or in other language and you turn on the subtitle in English language. That is the excellent idea to understand the way conversational language is used in different culture. English is as a necessary and important tool for intercultural communications. I am also thinking of learning any other language, which is Thailand language. For me, by learning more than one language, it will give you a lot of benefits in your future. Thailand language is easier since it has simpler grammar, and I think you will progress fast since you already have a basic knowledge about it. When you can speak in Thailand language, learning other language, which is have less complication in pronunciation, will be easier.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Suraya binti Muhammad Jamil. Matrix number 820BS0151.
I like English because English is a universal language. It is the world's second native language, the formal language in 70 countries. And English-speaking countries are accountable for about 40% of world total GNP. English also can be used everywhere with educated people around the world. Some people may disagree that English is the world's most important language. It is definitely the world's most widely used language because it is spoken by a number of people, 800 million by a conservative appraise and 1,500 billion by a liberal appraise. Other than English, I want to learn sign language. It is because the rewards of learning language sign is immeasurable. When someone you love can't hear, ASL is a great way to communicate in a rich, meaningful way. It's also the best way to develop awareness and sensitivity to the deaf culture, a community of non-hearing individuals. I think English is an useful language because in an age where there is more competition than ever before for top jobs, your social network can be a powerful asset. Learning English can help you expand your social reach and make yourself more competitive at work. It is also great fun to have a large circle of social contacts. Here are some reasons that learning English can help you expand your social reach. First, you can reach more people. English is the most common language on the internet, and by speaking it, you can share your ideas and opinions with all the English speakers out there. Secondly, English can connect with a wider range of niche communities. There is a community for anything you can imagine online, and many of them speak in English.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Emi Ashraf bin Azman. English is one of the most popular language in the world apart from Mandarin and Spanish language. English is always used in daily life, business affairs, and learning in schools. English is one of the interesting language to learn. I will tell why I like English. The reason is English can help you improve your confidence. Speaking English is among of the communication skills. If we speak well, people will admire and respect your commitment to learning and maintaining your English. People also describe that you have a high standard if you are good in English. With a little bit of studying every day, you can have these skills. Then you can be very proud of your ability to communicate with a wide variety of people. From that, it will boost your confidence and give a good effect to yourself. Other than English, the language that you also can learn is Korean language. The growth of the use of the Korean language is very encouraging due to the culture and entertainment from the South Korea, which has received a warm response from people all over the world, including our country Malaysia. It was just like a time bomb. For example, the influence of K-pop and K-drama is the main reason why Korean language is so popular among the world. You can learn it from internet and watching Korean broadcasts at any electronic device.
Hello, lecturer and all of my friends. I would like to share why I love English. Firstly, I love English because it allows me to interact easily with others and make it simple to communicate at work, travel, and other situations. The most important factor is English enable people, particularly to speak in the public, and also require a high level of English in order to advance in their education. My next point is I love English because English is widely used language that many people use to improve in the numerous aspects of their life. English is still one of the most widely spoken language on the world. and it may surely help someone to achieve their education goal. Learning English will increase your marketability, allowing you to apply to the best college and university that you want to go. Last but not least, I love English because it is the universal local language. Not only that, but whenever I meet a new individual, it has increased and exchanged my confidence. It is critical for me to make a good first impression which could be last by my expression. Speaking English also adds in the formation link between all of my family members. English is very lovely language that be used by everyone in the world. In the short, learning English is very important and it gives many benefits of your life. It also help you in many situations. Learning English is very enjoyable. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We are here to discuss why English is useful. So Suraya, would you like to share your opinion with us?
Yes, of course, Shafa. In an age where there is more competition than ever before for top jobs, your social network can be a powerful asset. Learning English can help you expand your social reach and make yourself more competitive at work. It's also great fun to have a large circle of social contacts. Here are some reasons that learning English can help you expand your social reach. English is the most common language on the internet, and by speaking it, you can share your ideas and opinions with all the English speakers out there. There's a community for anything you can imagine online, and many of them speak in English. Finding a community of people interested in similar things to you is a great way to practice, and being able to speak English opens up communities that may not have been accessible otherwise. Many people learn English for different reasons, and the English classroom is typically a very diverse place. In one room, you might have a judge sitting next to a university student and working with a group of nuns. By learning English, you get to talk to people outside your usual social sphere. And that's all for me. How about you, Shafa?
Yes, I'm totally agree with you, Suraya. Everyone can speak English because it's a universal language and also easy way to communicate with others. For me, by learning English, it will give you access to multiple cultures. So if you have a very good knowledge of English, it will allow you to access films, music, and also literature from hundreds of countries around the globe. Not to mention the fact that numerous books from across the world are translated into English. So not just that, experience will make you grow as a person more than learning the values, habit, and way of life in a culture that is different from yours. So I pass to you back, Miss Raya.
Yes, correct. English is a universal language. It is the world's second native language, the formal language in 70 countries, and English-speaking countries are accountable for about 40% of world total GNP. English can be used everywhere with educated people around the world. Some people may disagree that English is the world's most important language. It is definitely the world's most widely used language, because it is spoken by a number of people, 800 million by a conservative appraise, 1,500 million by a liberal appraise. It has official status in over 60 countries. 150 million people use English fluently as a foreign language. English may not be spoken language in the world, but it is an official language in a large number of countries. It also very important for whom works in a global workforce, because English is the language of business in world. So it had become necessary for people to speak in English. Another reason for learning English is that many of the world top films, movies, and books are published and produced in English. Therefore, by learning English, you will be able to have a great understanding. And also, most of the content produced on the internet is in English. So, Knowing English will allow you access amount of information which may not be otherwise available.
You could be right, but learn English is better for your education. In my opinion, learn English is useful because it helps you increase your educational opportunities. When you learn English, you can attend international schools around the world and become better educated. You gain access to numerous English resources and increase your knowledge instead of getting lost in translation. For example, through learning English, you have the opportunity to further your studies abroad. This will give a different view of society. Students who pursue their studies abroad will be respected and esteemed by the community. In Malaysia, people who can speak English well will definitely be respected. Moreover, when someone is able to further studies abroad, their neighbors and even family members must see them as an educated person. Therefore, we need to improve our English language skills in education first. Only then we can communicate well, make friends, and learn different culture very well. What do you think, Akli?
Yes, I agree that English help you to increase your education opportunity. It's because English is the language of knowledge. In this era of globalization and modernization, English is an important source language. For example, most encyclopedia, from book information, research, and other treasures of knowledge are revealed in English. If you learn English well enough to able to take tests like TOEFL, test of English as a foreign language, you can further your study at a university that use English around the world. How about you, Emma?
That was a nice opinion, but I have a better opinion, which is English can help you improve your personal skills. When you speak English, it is communication. Communication also among of the personal skills. Everyone knows that learning another language is difficult. Familiarity by the mother tongue is the reason it happens. People will naturally admire your dedication to improving and maintaining your English skills. Your ability to assist and interact with others can assist you in gaining respect. From that, it will boost confidence and also influence the level of your personal skills. To strengthen my argument, I can say that when you have an excellent personal skills, it is capable of providing mental health. The perception from community about you is positive, and they look up to you because they think when someone can speak English, it have a high standard. So it will increase the value of yourself. So how about you, Aina?
I am sorry, but I have to disagree with Nadia and Amy with statement English will increase education opportunity. For me, learn English does not mean determine people's success. Even though they are bad in English, does not mean they are fail in education. For example, there are many businessmen have a great life even though they do not get through their studying. It's perhaps for their hard work in their business. Success dependent on effort. I think success has no rule, but you can learn a great deal from failure. I totally agree with Suraya. In my opinion, English will be useful in getting a better and well-paid job in a multinational company with your home country or finding a work abroad. It can open the door for work market. As we know, English is a common language that people all over the world use in business and it has become a necessity for people to speak in English if they are enter a global workforce. When the business is growing, the opportunity to meet new people also increase. How about you, Akli?
Yes, I agree with you, Aina, that by master English can open the door for you in the work market. It's groom you to get a better job and enable you to go around the globe as well. English is used in the government, industry, academy, the media, and other sectors. In today's world, if you are not fluent in English, you may not able to reach your full potential and land the job of your dream. Employees prefer to talk in English because many jobs involve interface with the outside world. As a result, unless an employer is fluent in the language, it may be impossible for him or her to function, let alone advance up the success ladder. Also, in my opinion, English is used while a business is in a progress. According to the study, Bahasa Malaysia is rarely used when conducting a business. This is because the Malay language lack the right term to express meaning in the business. In English, it's not only important to ensure career success opportunity, but also important to ensure strong relationship in the business. How you think about that? Yeah.
That's true to a certain extent, Aina and Akli. But to venture into this field of business, we need to learn English first. Through education, students are more proficient in English. Next, only then they can venture into any field. After they manage to gain knowledge and master the English, surely they can enter the various field of work because English is seen as a great language. People who are proficient in English will be respected by the society. What do you think, Shafa?
Yes, I agree with you. So simply put, language allows us to express our thoughts and feelings. It also allows us to communicate and share knowledge with one another. Or if you were learning English, you will find or you can get a lot of examples of historical and cultural values reflected in typical English expressions. So it's possible for you to understand a bit more about different culture. Okay, how about you, Suraya?
You could not be wrong, Najiha. I agree with you. Many of the world's prestigious universities are situated in countries such as United States, England, and Australia. To earn a position at one of these prestigious universities, it is paramount to be able to read, write, and listen in English. Degree opportunities at these institutions will become available once you are at the advanced stage of the English language, which in turn will likely improve your career. In your degree life, of course, you will meet various kind of person with the various speaking language. And as we all know, that English is the most spoken language around the world. So, I agree when Najiha said that it will increase our educational opportunities because when we meet new people, of course, we will speak in English so that people will know that we are educated person and they will be friend with us. How about you, Ime?
Yes, you are right, Najiha. If we have good personal skill in life but don't have knowledge in life, it is not good for people. So the great way to gain knowledge is through education. Education can improve your life in social, economy, and the how you thinking in living life. In religion, especially Islam, make knowledgeable as a priority. Quran says knowledgeable people will not be among the losers. No more from me. Your opinion and argument has concluded the conclusion. How about you, Aina?
I feel the same way. We need to get a knowledge and skill first instead of learn and speak English fluently before we move to business field. If we want a stable life, we need to get educated. A great job, a good social reputation is a few of the many benefits of being an educated person. As Nelson Mandela say, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. How about you, Akil?
Yes, I also agree with the argument. By mastering the English language can certainly improve the quality of work. This is self-evident to anyone living in the today world. Employee prefer staff who fluent in English. This may not be equitable, but it is the truth. What about you think about that? Yeah.
Right. So we all agree that learn English is useful because it helps you increase your educational opportunities. So, does anyone have anything else to say? No,
No.
right. So otherwise, let's bring this discussion to a close. Thank you for contribution to this discussion. That's all from us. Thank you.